everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing like a video series on DIY gifts to make as presents. DIY Christmas gifts. Yeah, I don't know. That one. So I've got a whole bunch of things planned. I will pop a little link up here to any that I've already published, but I've got quite a few coming up and I've got quite a few made here. So I'm going to go through each DIY with you in separate videos, and we're going to start off with like a little floral one. I just found like little floral pieces and foliage and yeah, that sort of stuff outside. I made a little picture frame out of them. This is how that turned out. So, I mean, it's not the best. It's still cute though, and you could do a lot of things with it, especially if you had nicer flowers and whatnot. So we'll just get straight into that one, and it's really super easy and a really cute gift.
What you'll need is 2 frames, some flowers or leaves, an old book, and possibly some double-sided tape. First, open the book and place all the flowers into the pages, probably somewhere in the middle, so the flowers will become pressed and dried. I put mine under something heavy, so it helped a lot. Then shut the book and put it away for a whole week. Open the book and carefully remove all the leaves and flowers, and just be really careful and delicate with them because they can easily rip. Next, open up both frames. Leave one piece of glass in one of the frames and take the other glass out completely. This extra glass piece will be used to sandwich in the flowers. You can print off or handwrite a little quote or message for the frames, and you could also do their initials. Arrange the flowers on the table how you'd like to set them out. Once you've decided on an arrangement, then you can start placing them in the frame. Make sure to flip the flowers around because some of them will be pressed a certain way and you want the best looking side to be showing on the right side of the frame. Carefully place the other piece of glass in, making sure that you try not to get too many finger marks on it. You may have to move some of your pieces around just so they look better. In my case, I had to check a couple times because the quote wasn't visible. Depending on the frames and glass that you purchase, you may need to use double-sided tape to keep the 2 pieces of glass together. In my case, the glass was thick enough to keep everything from moving without having to use it, so I didn't use it. And there you have it, a cute little floral arrangement.
So that was the tutorial for the little floral frame. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do any of these tutorials, please tag me on Facebook or Instagram, or just send them through an email. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. As mentioned before, I'm doing this as a series, so make sure you check out all the different videos I've already posted. Make sure to please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps me out. And thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!